Let's use the build-a-word strategy with blends, but in the final position. The word is best. Marian is my best friend. What's the word? Best. All right, let's identify those phonemes. Best. B, E, S, T. Best. B, E, S, T. I have 4 phonemes, so I have 4 lines. B, E, S, T. All right, the first phoneme is B. Which grapheme represents that sound? Letter B. E. Which grapheme? E. E. S. Which grapheme? S. And the final is T. Which grapheme? T. Here is my blend in the final position. Let's go ahead and write the word best. Best.